I am quite curious how the headlight works on the M760Li, or at least looks, because this M760Li have laser light. And you can see that with the blue line on the lights. And you can also read it, see? Laser light. But see this blue line here? You see? And this blue line here. That is laser light. And I think that could be the one that flashes pedestrians when you see them. And you see, it's not even just blue line, it's also like aluminum part that is blue. You see? Talk about attention to detail. You know what, I'm gonna try on full beam to see if it makes any difference, or also half beam. We'll see. Let's put it on. Half beam. Notice, very important. Is it more illuminated now? I'm not so sure. In any case, it looks good. I believe laser light first came on the BMW i8. See, this is dark chrome, or like darkened matte silverish part, I would say. Darkened matte, matte silverish grayed out. Okay, let's do full beam now. And we do not do auto high beam. Oh, sorry. We do not do auto high beam. There we have full beam. Let's try it. See. Yeah, I don't know if the parts are more blue, but there's definitely light. I really like the fact that they machined like a blue aluminum part, which has a blue part. See? And these headlights are just outstanding. Outstanding. See? This is art. It's light art. I'm happy to see that BMW takes up the light game from Audi. Anyway, apologies for the dirt. I would say it's very well used. And this, is it 6.6 liter V12? Has really been put to its pace. And we can have some blue suit light, green, golden, rich for the perfume. Let's see if we can choose it. Just have a look. When you enter this, you see a sporty 7 Series, but when you enter it, it's complete luxury. A friend of mine said, when I pulled up to him at night, or when it was dark, which is basically all the time now in Sweden, at autumn, and he said, I mean, I was expecting to see a, chandelier, a crystal, crystal thing hanging from the roof. But Oh yeah, sorry. Let's see the smell thing. Put off the headlights, put it on auto. And let's see the smelling thing. Let's see, media, no, menu. Okay, close, sorry. My car. Car settings. Let's see this one. Okay, you know what, I'm kind of actually what do you say? I'm lost in the iDrive menu. Maybe it's in the iDrive settings. Yes. Or no. I thought it was there, it's not. No. You know what? I need to search for it. Oh, Swedish. What's the Swedish word? Lukt. Oh, ambient light. There we have it. I love the fact that you actually can write. Okay, I guess I'm not so used to writing after all. Okay, ambient. Let's just scroll. I know what ABS is. Ambient air package, yes. Oh, of course, it's the fast button here. So stupid, it's there. I love touching this. Authentic suit number 1. Of course. Smells gorgeous. Can you feel the smell? The smell. I mean, why can't YouTube start having smell as well? You have 4K, why don't you start smelling? Maybe you can feel it. Fresh tree. Anyway, I need to go. I love this car. It has super luxury on a completely different level. And of course it has V12. It's never stressed. But it also has the performance and fun. I mean, it's not as tossable as an M5, I understand that. But it's really fun to be a 7 Series. A 7 Series has never been this fun. And Alpina is not as sporty. I haven't driven the B7, so I shouldn't say too much, but this is a V12 BiTurbo and it's M performance. And it's fun, it's 4-wheel drive, it's perfect winter car also. Just look at those rear headrests with those curtains, I mean, or sorry, what do you say, with the feeling there. And also the job of the stitching. Look at this individual seat. Crazy. Anyway, I need to go.